Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add mobile data icon to the control center on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to add the mobile data icon to your control center, now from here just swipe down from the upper right corner on the display to open the control center. Now from here you can tap on the plus icon at the upper left corner on the display to add a shortcut to your control center, or you can tap and hold on the empty space on your control center to add a control. Just like that. Now from here just scroll down and search for the mobile data icon. Now as you can see we have found the mobile data icon. Now from here just tap on it to add it to your control center. Now from here you can resize the icon as you like, just like that. Now from here just tap on the empty space. Now as you can see, this is how you can add the mobile data icon to the control center on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.